Quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put transitions in CapCut PC. So basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do. So we can add 2 videos on our timeline and as you can see, we have no transitions yet, but what if we want to add something between them? All we need is just to open the transitions menu. So in the left top menu here, just choose the transitions. After that, we can see different transitions we have. We can try to use this one, for example. After that, we need to download the necessary transition we want to try and then just drag and drop it on our timeline. So as you can see, now we have a transition. So we can just click on it, delete, and try to use the another one, for example, this one. And after that, after downloading, you just need to some way to download it. Do we have? No. Basically, I can have bad internet maybe. Oh, now it's okay. Let's try. Oh, it looks much better, as you can see. We can change the duration and everything will be like a little bit slower. I think, guys, this tutorial was helpful to you. If it is, please watch my other tutorials about this program. Goodbye.